Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is Van Amsen, and today we are going to discuss a fascinating development from Wix, a well-known website builder that is set to revolutionize the way we create websites. So Wix has announced a new tool, the AI site generator, which allows users to create entire website by simply typing a description into a box and answering a few follow-up questions. So this tool leverages the power of AI and algorithm to generate a unique website complete with design, text, and images. This is a significant leap from the traditional template-based building approach. So the AI site generator goes beyond templates, using a combination of ChatGPT for text creation and Wix's own AI model for the rest of the site generation. This could potentially make website building more approachable than ever before. So this process is quite simple and user-friendly. The AI site generator starts by asking what the website will be for. The user provides a description and the chatbot asks for any additional details. The user is then shown some sample images and asked to pick the one that the best represent their desired outcome in terms of style and feel. So once the user makes a selection, the site is generated within a second. So the resulting websites are professional looking and feature modern design elements such as overlaying, scrolling, animations, and graphic images, cutouts, and more. However, it's worth noting that while the AI generated copy looks good, there may be a need for user to verify the details to ensure accuracy. So one of the key questions that arise with the new tool is about direct control. While user can enter custom text and upload their own images, it's unclear how much control they will have over the overall design. Another important question is about copyright. With AI companies increasingly targeted in copyright lawsuits, it's unclear who would be responsible if somebody will take over some Wix AI created part of the site. In conclusion, Wix new AI site generator appears to be a very powerful tool that could make website building easier and more accessible. It has potential to help small business and entrepreneurs create professional website quickly and easily. However, there are still questions about user control and copyrights that need to be addressed. So that's all for today's episode of Van Amsen Explain podcast. Stay tuned for more updates and insight in the world of technology. See you next time.